Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about fluent speaking English language, whether speaking in a speed is fluency or whether speaking in a smooth way is called the fluent English language. Because if we speak in a smooth way that others are understanding whatever we are speaking, then I think that this will be called the fluent English language. Some people think that if we speak very fast in a speed, then it is called the fluency. If you are speaking in a speed but you are speaking in a wrong way, your sentences are not in proper construction and you are speaking wrong English language, then this is not called the fluent English language. Fluency means that you are speaking in a smooth way and others are understanding your English language. How you can improve your fluency, I will give you some tips. With the help of those tips, I think that you will improve your English language and finally in future you will speak fluent English language. For fluency, I think that first of all you should do your exercise on daily basis and you should fill your vocabulary with lot of words. Because when you fill your vocabulary with a lot of words, then when you will speak, you will speak in a proper way because you don't lack the words. Sometimes people speak the broken English and they stuck during their conversation. They stuck because they lack the sentences, they lack the words. They don't find any proper word to put in a sentence. So they are not fluent. If you have lot of vocabulary and you have forgotten the specific English of some words, then you can use there the resembling word. With the help of those resembling words, other will understand that the summary of your speech, whatever you want to say. And if you don't find any kind of the resembling word, then there you can explain your words through different way. If I give you the example that for example you have forgotten the English of onion and you want to use this in your conversation, you want to make other understand that you are saying about the onion or you are talking about the onion. So in this way you will say that that object is, that thing is for using in vegetables and that is in the shape of ball, and when we cut we cry, tears come out of our eyes. Then through this explanation I think that other person will understand that you are talking about the onion. In the same way there are some other things. If you have forgotten the English of some words, some objects, then you can explain through different way. Some people stuck during their conversation because they want to put the proper exact word and they have forgotten the English of that word. No need of putting the exact word if you have forgotten. Use resembling words, and if you are not finding any kind of resembling word, there you use the explanation as I told you. In this way I think that you will speak fluent English language and other will appreciate you and your work. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then allow me, and if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, so please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. There are so many videos uploaded on this channel. You can check our playlist and you can find the videos of your interest. Hello, me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.